In today's fast-moving workplace, efficiency is everything. But what if your office could run smarter, handling repetitive tasks automatically so your team can focus on what really matters? That's the power of office automation. Office automation refers to the use of technology and software systems to perform routine business tasks with minimal human effort. It replaces manual, paper-based processes with streamlined digital workflows. An office automation system, or OAS, is the complete set of hardware, software, and network tools that make this automation possible. Think of it as the digital engine running behind every efficient modern office. Before automation, office work meant mountains of paperwork, endless manual data entry, slow approvals, and constant back-and-forth communication. Time and resources were constantly drained. Office automation transforms that chaos into clarity. Tasks that once took hours are completed in seconds. Approvals happen digitally. Data flows automatically. And your team gets back to high-value work. Every office automation system is built on three core components. First, hardware, computers, printers, scanners, and servers. Second, software, the applications that power automation. And third, network infrastructure, the connectivity that ties it all together. Office automation systems come packed with powerful features. Document management digitizes and organizes your files. Electronic communication streamlines emails, messaging, and collaboration. And scheduling tools automate meeting bookings and calendar coordination. There's more. Workflow automation routes tasks and approvals automatically, no manual handoffs. Payroll and HR automation handles calculations, leave management, and compliance. And data storage systems ensure instant, secure access to your business information. The benefits are compelling. Office automation saves significant time by eliminating repetitive manual tasks. It dramatically reduces human error, especially in data entry and calculations. And it cuts operational costs by reducing paper use, manual labor, and rework. Automation also boosts overall team productivity, freeing people from low-value tasks to focus on strategy and creativity. It improves internal communication through centralized platforms. And it strengthens data security through access controls and automated backups. Here's a real-world example. An employee submits a leave request. The system automatically sends it to the right manager. The manager approves it with one click. The employee gets an instant notification. No emails, no follow-ups, no delays. Office automation falls into three broad categories. Communication automation covers emails, messaging, and notifications. Data processing automation handles calculations, reporting, and analysis. And document workflow automation manages the creation, routing, and storage of all your business documents. Office automation isn't just for large corporations. Small businesses, startups, healthcare organizations, educational institutions, and government agencies all benefit. If your team handles repetitive tasks, automated processes can transform how you work. Healthcare uses automation for patient records and appointment scheduling. Education automates admissions and reporting. Finance relies on it for payroll, invoicing, and compliance. And retail teams use it for inventory management and order processing. Of course, office automation comes with challenges too. The initial setup and software investment can be significant. Employees need time to learn new systems. And integrating automation tools with existing software requires careful planning. But these challenges are manageable. Start small, automate one process at a time. Invest in proper training from the start. And choose platforms designed to integrate easily with the tools your team already uses. Let's put it side by side. A traditional office relies on manual filing, paper trails, and time-consuming approvals. An automated office uses digital workflows, instant notifications, and real-time data operating faster, cheaper, and more accurately. The numbers speak for themselves. Organizations that implement office automation report an average productivity increase of up to 45% and significant reductions in operational errors and processing time. Ready to get started? First, identify the repetitive tasks that consume the most time in your office. Second, research and choose the right automation tools that match your business needs. Third, train your team thoroughly and roll out gradually for the smoothest transition. Let's recap. Office automation uses technology to replace manual, repetitive tasks with efficient digital systems. And OAS brings together hardware, software, and networking to power that transformation. The benefits, from time savings and cost reduction to improved accuracy and productivity, make it one of the smartest investments any modern organization can make. Office automation isn't the future, it's happening right now. The organizations embracing it today are the ones leading tomorrow. Start small, think big, and let automation do the heavy lifting so your team can focus on what humans do best: innovating, connecting, and growing.